Hello, my phone is completely broken.
What is wrong with it?
I dropped it on the floor.
Did the glass screen break?
Yes, the screen is totally cracked.
Does the phone still turn on?
No, the screen is totally black.
Let me look at the phone.
Here is my broken black phone.
The glass is very bad indeed.
Can you fix the broken screen?
Yes, I can replace the screen.
How much does it cost?
It costs 60 paper dollars.
That is a very fair price.
I have the new glass here.
When will it be ready?
Come back in 2 short hours.
I will walk in the park.
Do you need anything else?
Check the battery life too.
I will check the old battery.
Thank you for the good help.
See you in 2 hours.
I will be back on time.
Have a very good walk.
My phone is not charging well.
Let me test the charging port.
The battery dies very quickly now.
I will plug this cable in.
It does not charge at all.
The charging port is very dirty.
Can you clean the dirty port?
Yes, I will clean it now.
I keep phone in tracksuit pocket.
Dust gets in the pocket easily.
My long track pants have dust.
The port is completely clean now.
Let us try the cable again.
It is charging perfectly now.
Do I need a new battery?
Yes, your battery is very old.
Do you have a new battery?
I have one new battery left.
Please change the old battery today.
It will take 10 minutes.
I will sit and wait here.
I will open the phone back.
Please be very careful with it.
I repair phones every single day.
You are a very good master.
I will finish the work soon.
I need a new phone case.
What color case do you want?
I want a dark green case.
Look at this green rubber case.
It matches my green tracksuit perfectly.
Yes, it is a great match.
Is it a strong phone case?
Yes, it protects from high drops.
I will buy the green case.
Do you need a screen protector?
I already have a glass protector.
Do you need a new cable?
Yes, my old cable is broken.
I have a long, fast cable.
How long is the fast cable?
It is 2 meters long.
That is a very good length.
It will charge your phone fast.
I will take the cable too.
The total is 30 paper dollars.
I will pay with paper cash.
Put the cash on the counter.
Here are 3 $10 bills.
Thank you for your exact cash.
Put them in a bag, please.
Here is your small plastic bag. I am back for my phone.
Yes, your phone is completely ready.
Does it have a new screen?
Yes, the new screen is perfect.
Let me test the screen now.
Turn the power button on.
The bright screen works very well.
Try to type a short text.
The touch screen is very fast.
Did you check the front camera?
The camera takes very clear photos.
Your phone is like new again.
Thank you for your fast work.
You are very welcome, my friend.
I will not drop it again.
Hold it tight in your hand.
I will keep it very safe.
Do you want a printed receipt?
Yes, please print the paper receipt.
Here is your receipt and phone.
Is there a repair warranty?
Yes, you have a monthly warranty.
I will keep the receipt safe.
Bring the receipt if it breaks.
I understand the rules very well.
Enjoy your fixed mobile phone.
How much is the screen repair?
The total is 60 paper dollars.
I will pay with paper money.
We only accept paper cash here.
Here is a 100 bill.
I will give you cash change.
I need $40 back.
Here are two $20 bills.
Let me count the change now.
Is the paper money exact?
Yes, the money is perfectly right.
Here is a business card.
What is this card for?
It has our shop phone number.
I will put it in pocket.
My name is Ray on card.
Nice to meet you, good master.
Tell your friends about our shop.
I will tell my sporty friends.
Have a very nice day, sir.
I will go home now.
Walk safely in your nice tracksuit.
The weather is very nice outside.
Yes, it is very warm today.
Goodbye and thank you again.
See you next time, my friend.